The Verve card and the Indigo card are both designed for bad credit, but one big difference changes everything. Indigo can sometimes offer a no-security deposit path with fewer surprise fees depending on your approval terms. That's what makes this comparison worth paying attention to. By the end of this, you'll know which card is cheaper to keep, easier to manage, and better if you're trying to rebuild your credit without getting trapped in fees. Here's the quick answer. If you care most about lower long-term cost, Indigo usually has the edge. If Verve offers you a higher starting limit or lower upfront fees, it can be the better deal. Start with the fee structure. Both cards can come with annual fees. That fee usually hits as soon as your account opens. That means if you start with a $300 credit line, your usable balance can drop immediately. That matters because using too much of your limit hurts your credit utilization. Verve may also include monthly servicing fees after the first year. Indigo can also charge fees, but the exact terms vary more based on your application. That makes pre-qualification important. Always compare the offer before accepting. Now, approvals. Both cards target people with bad credit, limited credit, or past financial mistakes. Neither is known for premium approval standards. That makes both realistic options if traditional banks keep denying you. But approval alone shouldn't decide it. The cost matters more. Now, credit building. Both report to the 3 major credit bureaus. That's the core feature. If you make on-time payments and keep balances low, both can help rebuild your score. If you miss payments, both can hurt it. That part is simple. Now, usability. Neither card is strong for rewards. These are credit repair tools, not rewards cards. That means you should treat them like stepping stones. Use them for small purchases. Pay them off fast. Then, move on. That's the best strategy. So which one wins? Pick Indigo if your offer has lower fees and cleaner terms. Pick Verve if the credit limit is stronger and the fee structure is competitive. Never accept either without reading the full pricing table. Quick recap. Both can rebuild credit. Both can be expensive. Indigo often wins on simplicity. Verve can win on available credit depending on your offer. Your next step is easy. Check both pre-qualification offers side by side and compare the real cost over 12 months. If this saved you time and money, hit like and subscribe for more straight-up credit card breakdowns.